Hi, lovely people. How are you all doing? You're welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, we shall be making rice and beans jollof rice. Trust me, it's going to be very delicious. I'll be making use of some rice and red beans. These are going to be our main ingredients for this recipe. You can use any type of beans you have. So, I will set the fire. Then we'll begin by boiling the beans until it is about 80% cooked. Then continue from there. So into another pan on fire, I'll be adding some oil. Then I'll heat it up, add onions, and then we start preparing the stew for our jollof rice. I'm now adding my tomato paste. I'll let this fry for about 10 to 15 minutes in order to remove the sour taste from the tomato paste. I'm checking the beans, and at this point it's ready. As we can see, there's no more water in it, but if you want to sieve it, then you need to add more water. So I'll take this off the fire, then we'll continue with our stew. So our stew has been frying for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'll go ahead and add our blended ingredients. Here I'm adding some curry powder and salt. You can add any spices of your choice, and you can add more spices apart from the curry powder. And also, if you like to add seasoning cube, you can add it at this point, but I will not be using seasoning cube. And I'm adding some powdered fish and salmon. You can use as much protein as you want, but I will not be using a lot of protein because the beans already contain some protein in it. I'm now adding water enough to cook the rice. Remember, our beans is almost cooked, so we don't need so much water. So allow the water to boil, then we'll add the rice and the beans to it. I will not be using all the beans that we boiled. I'll be using part of it, so I'm taking the quantity that I'll be using for this recipe. I'll mix this very well, then I'll taste and adjust the salt. Our rice and beans jollof is now ready, and it tasted so delicious. So if you have some rice and beans, kindly go ahead and give this recipe a try and let us know what you think about it. Thank you so much for the video. Subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. See you in my next video. Bye.